Number 4, it's kind of an interesting problem because it's equal to 0. If we split this up, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we have x plus 2 is equal to, now I would set it equal to a negative 0, but a negative 0 is really just the same thing as 0. So you could just put equal to 0. So if you solve this left one, it's going to be x is equal to negative 2. If you solve the right one, it's actually going to be the same. So when it's equal to 0, you actually only have one unique solution. Let's go to number 5. Again, if you look at my steps, my first step is to isolate the absolute value. So you'll see that we have the 3x minus 2 on the inside, but that we have this 2 on the outside. So I really need to get rid of that 2 before I split up the problem. So if I divide both sides by 2, then I have 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. And then now that the absolute value is the only thing on that side, I can split this up into 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. It's actually thundering right now, so if you can hear that, that's I probably shouldn't be recording during a thunderstorm. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 7, and 3x minus 2 is equal to negative 7. So again, 2 branches, 1 positive, 1 negative. And then I need to solve on each of these. So 3x is equal to 9, and x is equal to 3. If I add 2 to both sides, 3x is equal to negative 5, and x is equal to negative 5/3. So those will be our 2 solutions. Again, if you want to check your work, you can plug them back into the original. Let's do one more. Let's look at 6. Again, my first step is to always isolate the absolute value on that side. So there's this 10 that's in the way. So if I subtract 10, then my problem is going to be 3y minus 1 is equal to 15. Now that the absolute value is the only thing that's on that side of the equation, I can split this up into 3y minus 1 is equal to 15, and 3y minus 1 is equal to negative 15. So if I look at the left branch and I add 1 to both sides, I have 3y is equal to 16, and I divide both sides by 3, then y is equal to 16 over 3. On the other one, if I add 1 to both sides, I have 3y is equal to negative 14, and then I divide both sides by 3, and y is equal to negative 14 over 3. So these would be my 2 solutions.